E-commerce has evolved rapidly over the past decade, with new companies continuously entering the market. One such newcomer making waves recently is Temu. This company has quickly become the #1 shopping app in the US as of September 2023, surpassing stalwarts like Amazon, eBay, and Walmart, according to data.ai. But its meteoric rise has led many to ask, what is the truth about Temu? Is it really a Chinese company? Let's explore Temu's origins, business model, legitimacy, challenges, and future outlook to uncover the facts. Temu was founded in Boston, Massachusetts in 2022 as a subsidiary of PDD Holdings Inc., a multinational commerce group listed on NASDAQ and headquartered in Shanghai, according to California Business Journal and Eclair. While this company is based in the US, its sister company Pinduoduo operates primarily in China. Pinduoduo, China's third largest e-commerce company, had over 868 million active buyers in 2021 and processed $383 billion in gross merchandise volume, as per Lengoblog. It's an online marketplace that connects consumers with a global network of sellers, manufacturers, and brands. Its website Temu.com and mobile apps for iOS and Android offer over 250 product categories ranging from fashion and beauty to home goods and electronics. According to TechCrunch, within just 3 months of its US launch in late August 2022, Temu's mobile apps became the top daily downloads on major app stores, surpassing stalwarts like Amazon, Walmart, and Nike. The company rapidly ascended to the #1 shopping app in the US after launching. It was available in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. It has since expanded to parts of Europe including the UK, France, Germany, and Italy. Temu entered a crowded field, competing in the ultra-fast e-commerce space against the likes of Shein, Wish, and AliExpress. However, it has quickly distinguished itself. According to SimilarWeb data presented by eCommerce DB, Temu's website, Temu.com, received 217.3 million visits in May 20th, 2023, a 96.5% increase from 110.6 million visits in April. App downloads also nearly doubled from 15.3 million in April 20th, 23 to over 30 million the following month. By September 20th, 2023, Temu's Android and iOS apps had surpassed 40.5 million downloads globally, per eCommerce DB. It attributes Temu's massive growth to increased media attention and savvy marketing tactics. According to an analysis cited by Tech.co, industry estimates suggest Temu may be losing money in the short term as part of an aggressive loss leader strategy to gain market share. This involves selling products at very low margins, or even at a loss to attract customers initially. While Temu's financials are opaque, it likely has the backing of its well-resourced parent company PDD Holdings to absorb early losses as it seeks to establish itself. However, concrete revenue, profitability, and other financial metrics are not yet disclosed in the sources reviewed. Temu employs a unique business model to achieve its rock-bottom pricing. According to insights shared by eCommerce DB, instead of holding inventory, it connects consumers directly to its network of bulk suppliers and manufacturers, primarily in China. This allows it to offer wholesale prices to retail customers. Most products on Temu are unbranded generics rather than name brands. This avoids licensing fees and marketing costs associated with established brands. The company handles fulfillment and shipping through major carriers like UPS and USPS. Its parent company PDD has an extensive logistics infrastructure, avoiding issues that hindered other China-based retailers like Wish. Temu heavily markets to younger demographics. Its web traffic comes from users aged 18 to 44. Younger consumers tend to be more price-conscious. It boosts engagement and purchase conversion through interactive games integrated into the shopping experience. Games like CoinSpin and Card Flip allow customers to earn additional discounts. Referral programs encourage existing users to recruit new customers in exchange for store credits and other rewards. This amplifies Temu's marketing reach. Similar to Shein's model, Temu quickly tests products in small batches before rapidly scaling up production on bestsellers. This allows faster reactions to trends. User reviews and sales data are instantly relayed to suppliers to align production with demand. This improves efficiency, but raises other issues. With prices so suspiciously low, it's understandable why some question if Temu is a scam. Here's a look at some of the indications it is a legitimate business. It has managed to gain the #1 shopping spot in both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Platforms like these would likely remove any clearly fraudulent businesses. Its millions of monthly website visitors have gained significant consumer interest. A scam retailer would be unlikely to achieve this popularity. Temu's Super Bowl ad and other marketing efforts mean it has come under increased media scrutiny. The fact that major publications cover Temu as a real business lends it credibility. While not immune to controversy, the Chinese parent company PDD Holdings is a publicly listed multi-billion-dollar corporation. This provides this company with strong financial backing. As noted by the California Business Journal, Temu has tens of thousands of positive customer reviews, indicating most shoppers have had satisfactory experiences. This includes a 3.51 of 5 rating on SiteJabber based on over 18,000 Temu reviews. This company offers refunds if orders do not match product descriptions. It covers instances of non-delivery or fraudulent product listings, unlike an outright scam operation. On the other hand, Temu does face criticism in areas like product quality, workplace conditions, and originality. Some commonly cited concerns about its practices are: its rock-bottom prices likely rely on exploitative manufacturing labor conditions in developing countries. Critics argue this fuels poverty. Ultra-fast fashion retailers like Shein and Temu are accused of stealing designs from independent creators without compensation. Limited original design protects this e-commerce site from infringement lawsuits. Customers blame this site. Shipments do not declare the country of origin. This makes it difficult for consumers to trace faulty products back to a particular manufacturer. While this company offers refunds, its business model makes it complicated to take legal action in cases of IP theft or defective products from unnamed Chinese suppliers. Temu loses millions of dollars annually in its market entry phase. If funding dries up before establishing profitability, customers could be left empty-handed. While this site appears to sell authentic products in most cases, consumers may want to exercise some caution given quality control issues, ethical concerns, and financial uncertainties. However, Temu has not exhibited outright fraudulent behavior that would classify it as an outright scam. It has delivered millions of orders and refunded purchases as advertised. Still, potential downsides exist, so buyers should set expectations accordingly when purchasing extremely low-cost goods. Despite Temu's meteoric rise, it faces obstacles in maintaining its rapid growth and competing with established giants like Amazon and Walmart long-term. Consumers in Western markets are accustomed to shopping on familiar platforms like Amazon that are known quantities. The company lacks this brand familiarity, making it harder to pull customers from dominant contestants. Unlike Amazon's endless aisle, Temu's product assortment is limited primarily to lower-priced goods. However, focusing on particular categories gave Shein an advantage. It may need a more targeted product strategy. Slow delivery has been a sore point, with Tech.co noting Temu's average shipping time is about 10 days compared to Amazon's 2 days. Faster shipping from US-based warehouses could make Temu more enticing to impatient customers. According to customer review, Temu's return refunds can take weeks to process. Combined with long shipping times, a slow return system restricts the purchasing flexibility that consumers value. Temu relies on major carriers like UPS for US deliveries, but its international logistics networks are less developed compared to Amazon. Expanding its logistics capabilities could enable faster, cheaper shipping. Amazon and other competitors have blocked affiliate links to Temu on their platforms, limiting its ability to tap into existing social networks. Finding ways around platform blockades is crucial. Temu is still in the early stages of an e-commerce business. The platform will face challenges in transferring its China-centric model to Western markets. However, it has already demonstrated ingenuity in disrupting the online retail space. To build on its initial success, Temu may look to expand geographically beyond North America and Europe. Large consumer markets like India and Southeast Asia represent potential growth opportunities. Diversifying its product selection could also help Temu compete with the wider selections found on platforms like Amazon and Walmart. Currently, Temu focuses on the discount end of the market, but over time, it may be able to expand into more premium offerings once established. Temu will likely need to continue refining its logistics capabilities as it scales up its operations, transitioning from reliance on national postal services to its own warehouses and delivery personnel could significantly quicken fulfillment times. Improved logistics will help it provide the fast, affordable shipping that consumers increasingly expect. With its backing from parent company PDD Holdings, Temu has the resources to explore an omni-channel strategy similar to Amazon's acquisition of Whole Foods. Launching brick-and-mortar stores could complement its digital presence and brand awareness. While predictions differ on this company's future trajectory, its sophisticated model and substantial financial support suggest it could reshape online retail. It has already proven itself adaptable and innovative thus far. The company will need to continue evolving nimbly to sustain momentum in the competitive e-commerce landscape. In just over a year, Temu has risen from an unknown entity to one of the fastest shopping apps across North America, Europe, and beyond. While its rock-bottom pricing certainly grabs attention, its rapid growth is also attributable to its unique business model and marketing strategies. However, its focus on speed over quality control and ethics raises caveats for consumers to consider. Temu could change how people shop online in some areas, but smart shoppers should be cautious and think about the good and bad things about it.